Good morning. Welcome back to Denver. Man, this trip really did end up redeeming itself as you saw in the videos. The Royal Gorge train was fantastic the other day in the video that I posted. Yesterday, we went and did the Pikes Peak. We did not do the cog railway because they weren't going all the way up. However, we did the road. That needs to be on your bucket list for one time because that was the most scenic road we've ever been on in our lives. It was so gorgeous, a must do it, and it's only an hour and a half from Denver. So please go do it if you're ever in the area. However, today our trip is coming to an end. We were booked directly out of San Francisco on a 777 to Newark, but unfortunately, due to us not going to San Francisco, I had to change the flights, which also meant a layover was needed. So this morning, come with us as we're going to fly on board a United 777-200 domestically configured from here in Denver to Chicago O'Hare International Airport. Enjoy the video. After spending the night at the Fairfield Inn Denver Airport at Gateway Park, it's a quick van ride to the airport, where we've arrived at the main terminal. Welcome to Denver International Airport. After clearing TSA, we will have to take a tram to United's Terminal B, where we will be departing from today. Welcome to Terminal B here at DIA. Immediately upon exiting the tram, we are greeted by the gorgeous atrium which houses most of the food options for Terminal B. Upon entering the next concourse, our gate, B38, is the first gate, where we're greeted by our bird. Taking us to Chicago today is November 211 Uniform America, a May 2000 built Boeing 777-200, serving its whole career with United. Let's climb aboard. Immediately upon boarding, we're greeted by the 777's massive economy cabin. On to the seat. Each seat comes with individual air vents but no reading lights. The seat comes with a device holder, tray table, and power outlets, which we'll explore more once we're in the air.
1811 will service to Chicago. My name is Megan. I'll be your purser on today's flight. Thanks, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers who choose to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight.
To manage your expectations, we'll be pushing back here for an on-time arrival into Chicago. We got a great group of flight attendants in the cabin primarily for your comfort and safety concerns. The cockpit is ready to go. Welcome aboard.
Nothing like hearing those 777 engines start up, and that wing is massive. Since Denver Airport is over 30 miles wide, they have runways for almost every direction to travel. Like most eastbound flights, we will be taking off from runway 8 today, on the north end of the airport. Southwest. Look at all the planes. Look at all the Southwest in a row. Like I was saying, United and Southwest really dominate here at DIA. Enjoy our takeoff on runway 8. Now that we're airborne, our flight crew is fantastic and begins the service within 20 minutes of takeoff, so it's no time at all before the cart arrives. The snack option today was a bag of pretzel mix and your choice of a non-alcoholic drink. Since I was still battling an illness, I went with a hot tea to calm my throat. Now let's take a look at the restrooms on board the plane. Each restroom was kept well stocked and clean for the entire flight. Now let's take a look at the Wi-Fi and bring your own device entertainment system. Wi-Fi was available on board for purchase, $8 for Mileage Plus members and $10 for non-members. Like our 757 flight out with the IFE screens, the Bring Your Own Device entertainment system still has a lot of the same movies and TV shows as the IFEs have on other flights, enough to keep you busy. Finally, checking the map on the United app, we are closing in on Illinois and the end of our flight is near. We are in for a treat this morning. Since O-Hare was landing from the east, our flight would circle around Chicago before landing on runway 27 center. This would make for some spectacular views of downtown Chicago and the skyline on our approach. Enjoy our landing.
Welcome to Chicago, where the local time is 11:05 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You can continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fastest people.
To wrap up my experience, I really enjoyed flying on the wide body versus the narrow bodies I usually fly on. That little bit of extra legroom was fantastic. On this route, most flights are operated by a combination of Boeing 757-300s and 737s. I was so happy that we got to ride this plane today, and it really made for a great way to end our trip. Next time we meet, I make a completely unexpected video when I ride the New Jersey Transit's Aero train set up the Northeast Corridor line from Metro Park to New York's Moynihan Train Hall. Join us next time for that video, but now that we're pulling up to the gate, that will do it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you next time.